Patil Automation Pvt Limited is a company based in Pune, India. The objectives of the company are to introduce contemporary and world-class standards in complete industrial automation. Our new facility at Sakand MIDC Phase 2 Pune is now almost fully operational. There are 3 functional units. Unit 1 comprising of 115,000 square feet. Unit 2 comprising of 135,500 square feet. And Unit 3 comprising of 25,000 square feet respectively. The 4th unit, which is under construction, spreads over an area of 136,000 square feet. Welcome to the new facility of Patil Automation Pvt Limited. The well-arranged visitors' lounge at the reception provides the necessary comfort to our customers. Audiovisuals containing information of our company and products. Our well-furnished dedicated customer lounge is fully equipped with all food, beverages and refreshment facilities for our valued customers. Robotic MIG welding line. Complete turnkey welding solution with material handling gantry and automatic inspection jigs, including process study, design and simulation. Quick changeover mechanism enabling multiple settings in a common robotic cell. Fixture indexing using pneumatic, motorized and servo drive. Twin robot H-type indexing robot cell and turntable. Robotic spot welding line and SPM. Complete design, simulation and integration of spot welding projects including spot welding gun, water flow circuits, tip dressing unit and Pokayoke sensors. Robotic laser welding and laser cutting cell. Different types of welding, assembly and forming SPMs. Assembly line conveyor. Assembly line conveyor with pallets, stoppers, pick and place grippers, bowl feeders and assembly tools. End-of-line testers with production traceability system, number marking, laser marking and unloading gantry. Material handling gantry. Material handling gantry with mechanical and pneumatic gripper, motorized and servo drive, pick and place systems. Robotic material handling and machine tending system. Our spacious assembly line is well equipped, hence able to carry out multiple projects successfully. The presence of Faro and Romar at the assembly line is indeed an added advantage. For clients and internal meetings, conference rooms with latest communication facilities such as overseas video conferencing are established in the premises. To achieve our objectives, our company believes in working in a structured way. Consequently, it has departments like marketing, human resource, accounts, purchase, control design, mechanical design, projects and operation. The in-house manufacturing facilities have enabled to deliver quality products by meeting the timelines such as plasma cutting machine, CNC laser cutting machine, CNC bending machine, CO2 and spot welding. Today, Patil Automation Pvt Limited's workforce has exceeded the mark of 560. These employees are provided with facilities like canteen and bus. Companies are not made only by brick and mortar. They are made by vision and dedication. Our organization too works in line with the vision of our Managing Director, Mr. Manoj Patil. Our mission: customer satisfaction is what we aspire for. Our vision: work together as a team to respect opinion and views of others.